Welcome to the JH Backcountry Health Rehab Video Library. Today we'll be talking about how to use a foam roller to work scapular protraction and retraction techniques.
In this first clip, you can see great scapular retraction control as the shoulder blades move together towards the spine and then move back away from each other as the arms are extended forward. Scapular control is really important for a healthy shoulder joint, and because many of us sit at a desk for extended periods, we often see some of the important muscles that control the shoulder blade become chronically lengthened and underactive, which leads to poor posture, tension in the upper shoulders and neck, headaches, and back or shoulder injuries. A foam roller can be a great, simple way to get a sense of where your shoulder blades are in space and how to control their movement by pushing them apart and pulling them together. Lie on a foam roller long ways, with the roller running right down your spine and your head supported, and extend your arms up towards the ceiling. Practice reaching up like you're trying to touch the ceiling with your fingertips, and then relaxing your shoulders back down and draping them over the foam roller on either side. As you relax the shoulders down, you will likely be able to feel the insides of your shoulder blades connecting with the foam roller as they come together towards your spine. This is the same scapular motion we saw in the first clip. If you want to take it to the next level, practice squeezing the foam roller gently between your shoulder blades at the bottom of the movement. This will help you engage the key muscles for scapular retraction during your other upper body movements.